Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got more freebies for you all. This one is nice. It's a nice casual watch face. The name of it is called All-in-One Sport Orange. Now, they got this in a few colors. You got red, you also got green, and you also got white. Now, I don't know if the red one is free, but the other two are. So check that out in the Gear Manager store. And with that being said, let's go ahead and let's check this one out. Now, in the AOD mode, it does look nice. I like the look. I do like the theme of it all. You'll be able to see your analog time at a glance with no problem. But when it's on, the design is quite nice, I must add. The hands are very stylish. You get a traditional look as well. Now, I like these two dials. It really brings out the watch face. You also get a bunch of shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch. So you pretty much got everything that you need in one watch face. You got water intake, you got coffee intake, get your heart rate down at the bottom, distance, miles walked or ran, your step info, you got your weather, battery, music, also your S Health. So everything that you need is right here and it's all interactive. So if I tap on weather, I can go into weather. My distance is going to bring up S Health. Same thing with the steps. It's going to bring up S Health as well. Heart rate information you can bring up. And everything that you need is really right at your fingertips. There's no customizing the colors. So what you see is what you get, which is really nice for a free casual watch face. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face and if it's a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.